and we just got to keep going with it. So as you can see, I'm looking, these two oranges, can make sure that they get swapped. And it's kind of working. So it's all about keeping the motion going. So here's another example right here. So I want to, if I move these things down, then these two will get swapped. So I can do that. It's already down. Move it out of the way. Move these down, both of the layers. Move this back. Move it back up. Move this back to move these guys back up. And it works like that. If you want a more in-depth comprehensive guide, I've already made a video kind of covering how commutators work. So I'll leave that video in the card above so you can take a look at that to help you out. We're going to continue going though. So we can do these two layers. You can see that the more that you do this, the more it's going to work, the more that the switching will take into effect. And it just takes a while, right? Because there's so many pieces. It's just going to take a while for you to be able to get it right. So looks like we're almost done. And here we are with our semi-last piece.